Hi kids! I'm Ate Melly, a barangay health worker. One of my main duties in the community is to welcome young boys and girls like you to the world of teenagers.
Becoming a teenager is not always an easy transition into the world of adolescence. A period of change that begins in the early teens and goes until about the age of 20. I am sure that a lot of questions begin to bother many of you at this age. Questions that are not always easy to answer, more so to ask, especially if you think that these are quite embarrassing questions. But these are very important questions that need to be answered so that you may know how to handle yourself and take care of your bodies as you grow. One topic which I know many of you are quite interested in would be the male and female reproductive systems. Plants and animals reproduce to continue their species. Reproduction for humans, like that for all mammals, is sexual. That means there are separate male and female organs designed to produce the necessary sex cells for reproduction. In human beings, the reproductive organs are called gonads. The male gonads are called testes. They are suspended in a sac below the abdomen. The sac is called the scrotum and is suspended outside the body. The male sex cells, called sperm, are produced inside the testes in hundreds of tightly packed tubes called seminiferous tubules. The sperm move into the epididymis and then into the vas deferens where they are stored. During ejaculation, muscular contractions cause the sperm to travel through the urethra in the penis and out of the body. Before moving into the urethra, the sperm are mixed with the fluid produced by nearby glands. This mixture of sperm and fluid is called semen. In each drop of semen, there are approximately 5 million sperm cells. The female reproductive organs, on the other hand, are all located within the body of the female. The main organs of this system are the ovaries. The two ovaries are located at about a hip level. They are responsible for producing the ova or eggs. Below the ovaries is the uterus, a pear-shaped muscular organ about the size of a fist. Connected to the uterus are two fallopian tubes. These tubes each lead to one of the ovaries. The uterus narrows at the lower end into a small opening called the cervix. The cervix opens into a wider area called the vagina or birth canal. A mature egg is released from the ovary to the fallopian tube every 28 days. This process is called ovulation. During sexual intercourse, the semen, which contains millions of sperms of the male human being, is ejaculated from the penis into the vagina of the female human being. As the sperms travel through the vagina, they will pass through the uterus, then into the fallopian tubes. If a sperm is able to penetrate a mature egg cell in the fallopian tube, fertilization may occur. And only one sperm would be able to fertilize an egg or ovum. Thus, fertilization is the union of an ovum and a sperm to form a zygote. Then, the zygote or fertilized egg will now go to the uterus and attach itself to the thickened lining of the uterus for nourishment. This will then develop into an embryo. The embryo will continue to grow into a fetus and into a baby for about 9 months. This period of development from fertilization to giving birth to the baby is called gestation.
Today, we have taken a look at the reproductive system of human beings, including the process of fertilization. As I mentioned earlier, this system ensured the continuation of the human species. However, tremendous responsibility grows along with being a parent. Unlike many animals on our planet, human babies are highly dependent on their parents. We should therefore be very certain that we are totally and fully prepared to be parents before becoming one. Bye for now, and I hope to see you again.